bagel time. Everybody loves bagels, and I'm going to show you how to make them with our Fox Hill Kitchen's dough. We've prepared this dough 4 hours ago and let it rest, and you could prepare it the day before and use it the next day if you want to split up the work, although it's hardly any work. We got our dough. We're going to dump it out, and we're going to cut it into 6 pieces for bagels. These bagels have no wheat, no sugars, no grain, and they are full of delicious goodness. So I've got my 6 pieces, and I'm going to shape them into circles. Now you can do it by hand, and if you'd like a little bit of assistance making them round, to push them into any type of a dish or pot, make sure that you line it with plastic, because then it does not stick, and you can just push it all into place, and it's quick and easy, and you'll have nice rounds. I'll make a couple and then show you how to put the bagels together. And one fun thing you get out of these is you get bagel holes, which are just cute little bagel bites. And for some reason, they're kind of adorable. If you quickly make it a little bit round first, it makes this part a little quicker. And you can definitely do this without the form, but somehow it can speed up the process. So we've got 3 bagels. Right here we've got caraway seeds for rye bagels, no rye flour involved, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, and everything seeds. And we're going to brush the top with a small amount of egg. And this helps the seeds stick to the top. But the bottoms, we just dip into the seed mixture, and it stays onto the pan while they're baking because the bagel's on top of it. So it's so easy that you don't have to have egg mess on the bottom of your bagel. Go like that. Make all the flavors. These pans are quarter-size sheet pans, and they'll fit 3 each easily. We got poppy. And then we take our cutter. So then we take our little hole cutter, any little round thing, shot glass could work. And you cut out the holes. And voila, bagels. There you go. Now we know that traditional bagels are all rolled out and shaped into things, but these are perfect, and these will work with our grain-free dough. You could just do a free-form one. I'll show you how to do that. This is a piece of plastic. It's actually a Ziploc bag, and it makes nothing sticks to it. So it's wonderful and easy. So if you don't have a form for it, you can just do them free form. They'll be like Montreal bagels. A little bit rustic. It's still delicious. All right. So now we've got the other 3. We haven't done the everything yet. That's one of the most popular. It's the everything bagels. And you can get everything bagel mix at just about any store these days. So you put the unegged side down on the tray. Always use parchment. And there's no such thing as too many sesame seeds. You've got the next tray. Gonna pop out the centers. These cook quicker. Sometimes people might cook them separately or try to, no. You might want to cook them separately because otherwise you'll have to open the oven and pull them out while you're baking. And we don't want to open the oven while we're baking. Okay, so now into the oven they go. I'm going to bake them at 50 minutes at 300 degrees. And there's nothing like the smell of these wafting through the house while they are baking. You'll think you're in New York City. 300 degrees, 55 minutes. And that's bagel time. Here it is. The bagels are done. They smell incredible. So, if you don't have asbestos fingers, let them sit here for a moment before you transfer them to a cooling rack. And you want them on a cooling rack because they will get soggy if you let them cool on the tray. Look at this amazing everything bagel. Can't wait to slather it with cream cheese. There you go. Bagels.